Hi everybody, I'm Sarah.
I'm Lily.
And there's Faith over here, but you can't see her. But we're gonna make some low-calorie lemonade drink with this.
You're probably thinking, oh, that's gonna be boring, but we're gonna make it funner.
And then a tub, a spoon to mix it,
and a cup of water.
Yes. Okay. So first thing we're gonna do is empty one of these into the thing.
Okay, Faith, do the honor. Faith, you gotta put the lemon stuff into the container. She'll open it and then Faith will pour it in.
Oh, I didn't see it.
Alright, now pour the whole thing in there.
Pour it all in.
Woo! Woo! After you pour that in, the next step is to
4 cups of water?
With 2 quarts of cold water or 8 cups.
8 cups.
Wait, 4 cups. Wait. Yeah, 8 cups.
8 cups.
8 cups of water. That's a lot of cups.
Bring the thing
Hold it to the top.
Can you bring the container over here? I'm still seeing it.
Okay, we're gonna bring it over here.
Okay, guys, bring it over here. Put the water in. 1 cup. Kind of messed up there.
1 cup. We still have to do 7 more. So.
2. That does not look right. It looks like orange juice.
Well, that's why we need 8.
3. 8 of those.
No, 8 of these water cups.
4.
Halfway there. While she's doing that, I'm going to get some sugar out.
Hey, I kind of.
But there's no sugar. We don't need sugar. Never mind. What? 6. 2 more.
7. And 8.
And Miss Goggins said we could do math. Ready? Okay. So now what we do, that we've got this
Sarah will do the honors.
of mixing the water with
Could I
the
just use that spoon out there?
30 soapy thing. This is not a lot. Good stuff. I can't taste it. Here, I'll taste
You want
some.
to put sugar in it?
We can't. Here, I'm putting here. It didn't taste it. Ready? Oh my gosh. Taste this. This is delicious.
That is good.
It's really sweet. Sweet to me, sugar.
Here.
Look, you gotta go wild with it, girl.
You can't even get over that.
Yeah, let's get this.
But we use that to scoop it up and.
Yeah. I'll use that, guys, to serve you guys.
Can I start it?
Stirring. No, I'm serving it. We're still drinking Kool-Aid.
Kool-Aid.
I made this earlier.
Yep, as you did not see.
Because we were thirsty and we saw these drink packets, and so we made them.
We should make like another packet and then add some more water.
Yeah, so there's more.
Let's just drink this first.
So we can do
don't
something else this time.
Have, we have a whole tub of Kool-Aid in there. Okay?
Alright.
We're done with this. Now, we're going to need 1 cup to taste it. I'm going to get a cup. Taste it.
Okay, guys, I'm getting a cup.
And we're going to do the honors of tasting it.
Hot face.
We need a little bit more sugar. It's kind of sour.
More sugar?
We just need a little bit of sugar.
Okay.
This may be a table, 1/4, no, this amount of sugar, yeah. To the cup. Chasing the sweet. The honors? Of course. And then
Sugar?
Her? No. Yeah, just.
Just that whole thing?
Okay, fine. We'll just put it in here.
Mix that up.
Maybe one more of those. And we're gonna stir this up. Hopefully it'll be good because we don't want bad drinks.
There.
Yeah.
Okay, so look, here's the camera. I went 2, 3.
Okay. And now that we got that, Faith, you want to come stir this? Come stir it with
Whoa!
we can start stirring this with.
Sugar everywhere, so.
Okay, let's no. Oh yeah, stir it with this. Okay. I'll try this with the sugar. It's really good. That's the biggest food in it.
I like it, and so did my foot.
Yeah, your foot really enjoyed it.
Why don't you just drink it out of a cup?
But it'd be better with ice in it.
Yeah, let's put some ice in that thing.
Not here. On this, because it'll get all watery.
Well, like some ice.
Yep, it's delish.
And that is what we
So
call.
this is the finished product.
So this is hashtag awesome lemonade.
Okay. Follow.
Bye.